Hi everybody, hope you're well. So we thought because we are shut due to
Coronavirus!
that we would show you all how to make some of our amazing cocktails. So today I'm going to show you how to make a margarita. What you'll need to make a margarita is a lime, a muddler, tequila. You can have either silver tequila or gold tequila. We're going to use silver today just because it's open. A bottle of Cointreau, or you can use triple sec. This bottle's £8 at Aldi, so much cheaper than a bottle of Cointreau. You're going to need ice, brown sugar, a shaker, a strainer. If you don't have a strainer, you can use a slotted spoon, and a glass. You want to roll your lime, it brings all the juice to the top, half it, and just keep halving until you've got 8 pieces. Once you cut your lime into 8, you want to grab 5 pieces and place them into your Boston glass. Then you want to put 2 spoonfuls of brown sugar into the glass. Then you want to muddle your limes and sugar. Make sure you get all the juice out of the limes. Then you want to add 2 shots of tequila and 1 shot of Cointreau or triple sec. You want to fill your glass with ice. Get the lid from your shaker, give it a tap, and shake. You want to make sure you shake for about 30 seconds because you've got to dilute the ice because this drink is just lime, sugar and alcohol. Once you've shaken, you want to tap your glass where it meets the rim of the shaker and then release. Then you want to grab one of your leftover pieces of lime and just go all the way around the rim of your glass and dip it in your salt to get a nice salty rim. Once again optional, but if you want to cut halfway through your lime, then you can place it on your margarita glass, grab your strainer or slotted spoon and pour. Grab a straw and you're good to go.